mines.
Can I be the main character? I'm going to be the main character of canyons if I'm allowed to, or back rooms.
We're coming. We're going to caves.
Well, my stalker just came.
Where are you guys?
In the caves. Go to the caves. Dude. Hey, Boo, come back.
Belly. Oh my god! Yo, I just easily ran mines. No, not there. Oh my god, the baby one!
And if the big one comes,
Distract him, please. No, he's... Please distract him. Here, I got him. I got you.
What the hell was that noise?
I have you. Deli, come here. Get on the green crystal, Deli. Deli, get on the green crystal. I'm gonna help you. Come here. Come closer. Come closer. I'm gonna help you. Okay, Deli?
Wait, I want help. I don't know his noise.
Deli, you're supposed to go in. Deli. Oh, okay, do it again. Deli, get close. Whenever I run out, Deli, whenever I run out, you're gonna come in, okay? I got this, Maverick. Lord have mercy on me. Yes, I did it. He's stuck now.
Now, how do we get rid of him?
Yep, he died. He died. I think he died.
Yeah, he died.
Guys, I saw the quick break. Yeah, he died. I told him I got it. He didn't listen to me. Do you guys want me to get them out of here?
Yes.
Yes. You're very... I'll help you. Oh, these nuts. Oh, frick.
Run!
Guys, did
Deli
die? I told him I'll run them for you, bro. No, he's still alive. I saved him? Yeah. You died. You didn't save him, but I still saved him.
I'm a special facade. We make fun
I know he's going under the green crystal. There was like a hidden barricade under the green crystal. Do you guys want me to run them for you? No, I got this. Go, let them go, then we will go to the green crystal. Everybody run green. Fuck that. Mine's this. Here I come. Yeah, baby.
I'm purple.
Purple. Maverick? Oh, God. Yeah, Maverick, are they on you? Yeah.
Bro.
You're in mines? Maverick, where are you? No.
Yes. What?
I just ran down here to save you and you're dead?
Well, it's not winning. I'm not dying.
Dude, just have a quick break. I ran down to save Bozo and he died.
We went safe zone. The monster can't kill us here.
Wait, can you tell me your real age?
I am 14.
You're 14?
Huh?
I almost made it. I was so close. Maverick, I went in there to save you and then you died. I was so close. I ran both of them. Wait, where's the baby? I don't know. See, I'm going into mine, bitch. I'm coming with.
Everyone.
I'll show you. Let me see the path you take. I go this way. Yeah.
Help!
Here, look. I go this way. He's after you. Dude, that's a good run.
Who's that?
Me, isn't he? I don't know. Come. They're both here. Deli, stay in here. I got this.
Hello?
Let me here, I got the big one. I got them. Juked! Okay, he died. I know.
How?
Do this one in the blue crystal. Do what I did earlier.
How?
Hello?
So, Jackson, do not come out of that cave. I just ran them. What happened? I got this. They're following you. Why are you bringing them there? Bro, I got stuck.
Hey, you.
He died. Oh my god.
Oh no, mod.
Can't move it in. Move it in.
Everyone, go to code MV1.
MV.
No, you come down here.
MV1. MV1.
I'm warning you.
Green, you know I can touch their heads, but I just can't touch their body.
Overseer, you did it again.
Kick me again on accident. Watch out, strawberry. Oh my god, I just fell.
I'm so
Can I put Starkers away for a second so I can come? I'm dead. Oh no! What?
You?
No.
State your reason.
Okay.
You shook me.
Made it here.
I will crash.
I'm coming. You man, overseer. I'm
You're a
coming.
modder, so you're automatically allowed.
Okay. Okay, I'm here. I'm back.
Alright, TV, you're allowed.
Strawberry
Strawberry tries to make her attack you. You need to crash Strawberry. Honestly.
Green, I'm reporting you. Green, I'm reporting you.
That's
I
so
know
cool.
what ways Green mind. Oh, Green left! Finally! How do you get mines?
But there's another model.
You crossed the line.
Yo, Timmy.
He crossed the line.
Stop, please! I'll do anything! I like you better than the last modder! Hey, Blue, come here! I like you better than the last
You
modder.
have a clutch gun?
Now I do. Who spawned it on a stalker? Stalker is
I
another
crash
one.
people with
Hey,
stalkers.
I can crush Strawberry's games to crash them.
How is everyone getting the mods? How's everyone getting the mods? How is that? Blue, how is
I
everyone getting the
can
mods?
crush everybody's games.
Somebody just
Wait,
crossed.
you German?
Yeah.
Why is him? I love him. Oh! Green ain't here, buddy. I need some mod in here.
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Crossing. You get back.
Ich bin kein